Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We were gonna do a dirt bike video today, but that 140, it's not even focused to me. That 140 right there is dead. Maybe. Is the gas on?
Yeah.
Oh. Does it have gas?
Yeah, I just filled it up.
Okay, I can't do this with one hand. Go for it, Daniel. It's your moment. Oh yeah, it has gas. Yeah, so it's just not working. We got the 250. This is what I was gonna ride. You got the 400. It's really hard to start. 450. So we're just gonna be turning this video into a jump making video. So we're gonna make some new rhythm sections then, because I got like 5 dump truck loads of dirt over there. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's a change of plans, but we're gonna make it work. And he's gone. Alright, we'll see you guys on the track. Alright guys. So I'm tired. We're gonna I'm gonna possibly make this a little wider. This jump, this tabletop. Not even focusing. Good enough. Yeah, so I'm gonna make this tabletop a little wider. What are you doing, Daniel?
It's like cement.
Yeah, there's just so much mud in the bucket that it's all like cement. Oh, he's cleaning out the bucket. I don't know why, cause it's just gonna get dirty again. But so yeah, we're gonna make this tabletop a little wider. That one right there. I have to finish another jump down in the forest over there. So we're gonna be building those 2 jumps mostly. I'm trying to get my mom to drive us to town so we can just ride scooters around town and stuff. Yeah, a lot of stuff is happening. Not really. We might go just explore the neighborhood again because we're bored. Yeah. How's it going, Daniel?
Good. I got most of the cement out.
The cement?
Cement.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna give the camera to Daniel. He's gonna possibly get some shots of us building jumps. We got some new stuff on the track, so I might have him just show you guys that. Yeah. Playing with the tripod right now. So yeah. I'll see you when I'm after the time lapse.
So anyway, this used to be part of the track. You used to go down here and then come back up here. And then go around and stuff. But now you come up there, go through there, and come down here. And you can choose that, the tabletop, dragon's back, or the giant double thing. And then go down here. Then now if you take the tabletop, you can go across the thing to, yeah, that. Or you can go down the Joker lane. Hit this double, hit this berm, floor it. You can take this way, just a little straight to a little step up thing, kind of. Or you can take this way where we have a giant wall and then double or tabletop. Okay guys, it's kind of falling apart right now.
Yeah, it's kind of falling off this jump right now.
What do you have to say about that?
We're gonna attempt to get it out.
Let's gonna make it for an interesting video. We're going up here, boys. Man, he must have been going Mach 10 for that.
Like Mach 10.
Like Mach 10.
Okay.
I don't know, we're gonna have to like pile more dirt.
Well, time to go get the shovels.
Or rob the excavator. Plus you put this stuff in here.
So?
So if I fall.
Actually, you put it in there.
Alright guys, so we're here at church. We're at town. We just stopped here to get water. But we're on our way to the skate park, which is like clear across the town. It's kind of starting to get a little dark out because of the clouds. But we might film at the skate park, I don't know. Or we might just finish this video tomorrow and do dirt bike. Huh. He's having a stroke, guys. Look at that face, he's having a stroke. Alright. So yeah, I'll figure something out. So, yeah.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card.
Alright guys, it's dark out now, but we gotta go back over to the tractor. And, thank you for the lighting. I got my phone I can do lighting with. Once upon a time, there was this boy named Preston who crashed a tractor. So we gotta go back right now to get the key out of the tractor because it's too dark to actually like get it down right now. So we're just gonna have to do that tomorrow. So yeah, and then we might ride scooters on the ramp. I don't know. We're probably gonna go play Call of Duty because that's what we do here. Yeah, you see this? It's all like muddy, dark. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Can you even get down? I'm waiting for it just to flip. Alright, and then pull the key out. The key's bent. Alright, let's see this key. Yeah, look at that, it's all bent. Yeah, so, we're probably gonna go play a little bit of Call of Duty, maybe some Siege. Our shoes are all muddy now, dude. And, oh great, my shoelace is undone, so my shoelace is all muddy. Great. That's worse because it takes forever to dry. So yeah, we'll see you either in the shop or inside. Alright guys, so we just fell asleep on the couch, so it's like 8:44 at night. Yeah. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I'll make a new one tomorrow. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, we're gonna play some Siege. And peace out.